Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to set the paper margin to 1 inch on the every side of the page. You can set every side of the page with a 1 inch margin distance spacing, so it will be on the center. So the content will be on the center, so it's easy to print or present your document. So just go to the file option here, then click on the page setup. So now you can see the margin option here, so and it shows in inches, so you just need to set the inches as your wish. I setting the inches for 1 inch from margin inches on every side and click OK. Now you can see the difference. If you make Ctrl Z, you can see some movement. So because the page margin has been set for 1 inch on every side, you can also adjust it for an example. I just going to page setup and I just going to choose as 3. It's actually so bigger, so I just going to put as 3 for the result to show you. Okay, now you can see the page has been so different and the content has been skipped to the next page. So you can like this, you can change the page margin and you can change up to this or like this 0.5, whatever that you want. I think you find the solution for changing the page margin on every side. And if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.